Welcome. In front of me is a LEDGER Nano X, and today I'll show you how to delete an app from the memory of the Ledger. App meaning one of the wallets. So as you can see, I have 4 different ones. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and XRP in here. So let's start off by opening up the application itself. So Ledger Live, then select your device. And in here you'll see how much space all your apps are taking on the Ledger itself. So the total space of the LEDGER X is 1.8 megabytes, and this shows you how much it's taken right now and how much you have left over. So anyway, from here you want to select the installed apps tab, and this will show you all the apps that you have installed. And now all you really need to do is click on the trash bin of whichever currency you want to get rid of. Now I'll be honest, I have no idea how this exactly functions if you have currency on the ledger of that. Well, so as an example, I have no idea if I would have a Bitcoin. If I remove this, I don't know what happens to the actual currency. Does it get kind of like blanked out of existence? So that is something that you need to check out. Apps on your device that need Bitcoin will be uninstalled too. Installing apps has no impact on your crypto assets. So apparently it still keeps the crypto assets. You can reinstall apps in the app catalog. So yeah, it looks like, judging by this message, even if you have Bitcoin on the ledger and you uninstall the Bitcoin app, you still have Bitcoin on the ledger, I guess. So anyway, from here let's select uninstall Bitcoin and other apps. I think, not exactly sure why it's selecting 2 of them, but anyway, as you can see, it did uninstall 2 of them. So you can also go with another one. Now this one just quickly, without any kind of pop-up, uninstalls this one, as you just seen, and same thing right here. And additionally you can see them disappear from the ledger. So anyway, that is how you would uninstall those apps, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.